Want to get your Flask app live in minutes? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it fast, simple, and broken down step by step. First, open your browser and go to kuberns.com. Once you're in, click on the Deploy for Free button on the top right corner. Now, just sign up with Google or GitHub. I am going with Google, but you can choose GitHub too. For onboarding, fill in your name, select what describes you best, and hit Let's begin. Now, connect your GitHub account and select the repositories you want to give access to. I am going with all, but you can choose specific ones which you want to deploy. Click Save to continue. Now, select the repository and branch you want to deploy. I'm choosing the main branch since that's what I want to deploy. Next, enter a service name, choose where you want to host it, and pick a pricing plan. You will get a free trial to start and you can upgrade whenever you are ready. You can also add environment variables here, either type them in as key value pairs or simply upload your .env file. Once you're done, click deploy and see the magic happen. Kuberns handles the entire deployment process for you, and there is no need to write a Dockerfile. Watch the live logs as your app is built and deployed. And when it's done, click proceed to dashboard to continue. Congrats, your app has been successfully deployed. Now you're on the Kuberns dashboard. Let's walk you through it so you know exactly what's available and where to find it. First up, the overview tab. Here you can see your deployed URL, check the build history, monitor memory and storage usage, and even launch your app directly from the screen. It gives you a quick summary of everything that's running. On the left-hand sidebar is your resource panel. This lets you enable or disable components like your web server, a database, or background workers. For most simple Flask apps, just the web server is enough, so you can keep things lightweight and fast. But if your app is more complex, like if it needs a database or a background tasks, you can always turn those on with a single click. Next, in the Resources tab, you can go deeper and adjust how much RAM or storage your app uses, or add more components if needed, like a database or a task queue. Want to see how your app is performing? Head over to the Metrics tab and you will get live stats on RAM usage, response times, and how many requests your app is handling. The Activity tab keeps track of everything that happened. Every deployment, every build, every change. It's your full audit trail. In the Environment tab, you can add or update environment variables at any time. This is also where you can connect your own domain. So instead of default URL, your app runs on a custom domain of your choice. Need to tweak your deployment settings? Use the Deploy Config tab to add pre or post build scripts, change runtime commands, or update port settings. Any changes here are automatically reflected in the Dockerfile behind the scenes. Just hit save and finish when you're done. And finally, the Logs tab. This gives you live access to your app's logs. You can use it to debug issues, track new builds, or just keep an eye on how everything is running. And that's your Kuberns dashboard. Simple, powerful, and built to give you full control without usual deployment headaches.